Welcome you all to our next video for German course 1 or A1. So we will continue with our topic which we have done in the last videos. That is the articles. So in last videos, I'm not going to be going to the details. In last videos, we have learned that they are there, he does, there is masculine, female, and neutral articles. Definite articles are there, he does. Indefinite articles are eine. Today we are going to learn about the plural article. So the plural article doesn't matter whether it's masculine, female, or neutral. It is always the when we are using these in a plural form, the objects in the plural form. For example, we have das Kind, which means it's a singular, the child, and the plural is die Kinder. Then we have the Baum, which is singular, the tree, then plural is the Bäume. And we have the Frau, which is a single female, the lady, and then the plural is the Frauen. So whenever any object is more than one, of course, it's in a plural form, we use the article the. Now you must have noticed that every plural form looks different. So kind becomes Kinder. Baum becomes Bäume. Frau becomes Frauen. So somewhere we have N, somewhere we have added umlaut, somewhere we have added R. Right? So this is the thing we have to learn the plural forms of the articles. We have to learn it, and every plural form has some kind of difference. So here I have put some of the verbs, some of the words together so that we learn how these plural forms are formed. As I mentioned, some of the words they take extra ending or something gets changed when the singular becomes plural. For example, when you are talking about der Mensch, a human, the plural is die Menschen. So the plural form takes ens, which means that some of the words in German, when they become plural, we have en. Then we have a lot of words in which we have the umlaut, which we have learned with their Baum also previously. So the apple, the Äpfel, plural. The Tochter, die Töchter. So what are the changes coming? There is extra umlaut on either A or O or U. These are the alphabets which takes umlaut in German. Then we have der Bruder, the brother, die Brüder, der Baum, die Bäume. That's one word. The plural takes umlaut. Then some of the words we use them, they remain the same when in singular and the plural. For example, das Fenster, the window, one window, die Fenster, plural, also the same. Der Lehrer, die Lehrer, the teacher or teachers, it's the same. Das Gebäude, one building, or die Gebäude, that also remains. That's another category of the plural forms. Some, as we know, that is the universal thing that we always use it in singular. For example, the Milch, the milk, the Liebe, the love, das Geld, the money, das Glück, the luck. These forms are always used in singular, which is there in the other cases also, in other languages. And of course, we have plural forms. Some words we always use in plural. For example, the Geschwister, the siblings, the Eltern, parents, the Leute, the people, the Kosten, the costs, and the Ferien, other vacations. So what I would learn if, as a learner or as a student, then I would say, okay, the plural article is fixed. This is what we are learning here in this video, the. Second thing is that I need to remember that there are some changes happen when singular becomes plural, which we have in English also, but they are rules little easy. But in German, we know either it will take umlaut, it will take n ending. This is how the plural gets changed, and we have some categories also which remains the same as in singular and plural. So this is what with the articles, I really want you to remember der, die, das, die plural, ein. We don't have the plural indefinite article that we all know. And I think that is it with the articles. We are done with the articles in German. Next video, I think I'll try that we start making some sentences, some basic simple sentences of with the verbs. I introduce you the verbs and the pronouns. So happy Deutsch learning and keep enjoying.